Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I am going to be creating this everyday workwear makeup look. This is going to be super easy to do, not going to take more than 5 to 6 minutes. So let me share my hacks with you and the things that I do to achieve this flawless base. So now before moving on to the strobe cream, I am done using my serum. I usually use a Arbutin serum guys, which works on my pigmentation, and after that I have layered it up with a good sunscreen, and now I am dotting strobe cream all over my face, and after it gets absorbed in the skin I start up with my makeup. So the first step is going to be applying the concealer. So this is a usual hack I do. I take a concealer 2 shades lighter than my skin tone and 2 shades darker than my skin tone. Now this is going to be a buildable coverage concealer guys. I love this because it helps in giving me full coverage. It's very easy to blend. So firstly I go with a brush, and if you just want to leave it on the concealer and you do not want to go for foundation because it's a heavy coverage concealer, you're going to be good with that. But today the foundation which I'm loving these days is going to be Mama Earth Glow Serum Foundation. It has vitamin C guys, and the shades that I'm going to be using today is going to be Almond Glow. It is made safe and their products are enriched with vitamin C. It has turmeric. We all know that turmeric is a great antioxidant, and it is also enriched in almond oil, which has lots of vitamin E, and it is moisturizing for the skin. So all of the makeup products are gonna have these amazing skincare properties. They have no toxins, so these are completely safe to use. Now I am gonna be dotting it all over my face. It is gonna help in giving beautiful coverage. If you want to go for lighter coverage guys, just take 3 to 4 drops and you're gonna be good to go. But today I want to go on the heavier side, so I have taken enough amount. I have taken 2 pumps and I'm gonna blend it all over using a sponge. Blending takes time guys, so just make sure that you are being patient and you are gonna have a beautiful flawless base. After that, to set my under eyes, I am gonna be using this Glow Oil Control Compact, which again has vitamin C and turmeric. If you use my code Ritu2022, you're gonna get extra 20% off guys. It also comes in beautiful 4 shades, and it gives you 12-hour oil control and helps in giving you instant glow. It is India's first talc-free formula, which is gonna be safe to use every day. I'm just gonna apply a bit under my eyes. I'm not gonna apply it all over my face because I want to have that dewy glow. After that, I love applying blushes guys. It helps in uplifting your whole face, and a bit of color is gonna make your face look super beautiful. After that, here is the trick to get beautiful, plumper and bigger lips. That is to line your lips, and this is the only liner I have guys, believe me, and it works on all the shades. And it, even if you are going for a darker lip shade or a lighter lip shade, it is going to be perfect for you. After that, today the lip color that I'm going to be using is going to be from Mama Earth, and this is going to be their moisture matte free long stay lipstick. These products are going to be available on Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa, and these have no toxins, so they are completely safe to use. This is a beautiful plum shade, and the shade that I'm going to be using today is going to be Plum Punch. And the reason why I love Mama Earth lipstick is because they are smudge proof and stays for 12 hours on your lips. And I'm going to be giving you a little trick here. If your lip shade is dark and if you want to change it to a lighter shade, just apply a bit of concealer and blend it. Now you have this beautiful shade which is completely different, and you can change your darker shades to lighter and this with the same lip color. Now we are gonna be moving on to eyes guys, and the time I take to curl my lashes is usually 20 seconds, and after that I start to apply my mascara. Here the curler is gonna play a huge role in opening up your eyes and making your lashes look beautiful and curly. So once I'm done applying the mascara on my upper lashes, I move on to lower lashes. I don't get done here. I am gonna be telling you a hack that you can use every day. So once you are done with your mascara, curl your lashes again, and it is gonna open up your eyes beautifully and give you uplifted and beautiful lashes. Now I'm gonna be dabbing a bit of highlighter on my face. Mama Earth products links are gonna be in the description box below guys. Their application is out. The link is again gonna be in the description. Please go and download it. I will see you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.